Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Story Chronicles. In today's video, we will learn about RMDIR command, remove directories. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell. So the RMDIR command in Linux is used to delete directories. It is a straightforward utility designed specifically for removing empty directories. If needed, it can delete multiple directories in sequence. However, it must be used carefully, as improper uses may lead to unintended removal of directory structures. Unlike other removal commands, it doesn't work on directories that contain files or subdirectories. This restriction makes it safer for maintaining clean directory structure without accidentally deleting data. It is commonly used for cleaning up unused directories, maintaining organized file system, automating cleanup tasks in shell scripts. Because it's only remove empty directories, it is especially useful in automated workflows where the controlled directories cleanup is required. So the basic syntax, RMDIR, options, and directory name. Let's explore commonly used option. ls, we have empty folder test, cd test, ls, so it is empty, cd go back. Let's use RMDIR without any option. RMDIR test. Enter. Let's check ls, and we see test was deleted. -p removes specified directory along with its empty parent directories. Let's check one folder, cd project ls, cd linux ls, cd script. Let's go back. RMDIR -p. RMDIR -p project Linux script. Enter. Let's check, and we see projects and with it subdirectories was deleted because they all are empty. -p options tell to RMDIR remove the specified directory child, then attempt to remove its parent directory. It will remove the parent only if it becomes empty after deleting the child. All subdirectories must be empty. If either one directory contains files or their subdirectories, the command will fail. If you want the system to confirm each directory deletion, you can use -v option, verbose option. RMDIR -v test 1. So, and we see verbose output. We tell the command to print a message for every directory successfully removed. To see other option, you can use man RMDIR. So, parents verbose help on the version, and also --ignore fail on non-empty. Ignores each failure to remove a non-empty directory. RMDIR --version. You can see information about RMDIR utility itself, the copyright information, license information, written by whom, and RMDIR --help. You can fast check options which you can use with RMDIR without going to manual pages. So that's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. See you in the next video.